Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to all of you after a long break. My dear students, I am your teacher Adnan Alam. I will teach you class 10 biology. My dear students, in the previous lectures, on 9 lectures, you people studied up to chapter 13. Just one topic is remaining in chapter 13 and I will start from that topic which is muscles and movement. So today I am starting and the lecture number is 19. It's lecture number 19 and in today's lecture we will discuss muscles and movement. So let's start the topic. First of all, my students must know what are muscles. Muscles are the type of tissues which have the ability of contraction and relaxation. That type of tissue is called muscle. My dear students, muscles are very important part of our body and you will be amazed to learn that 45% of the total body weight of the human consists of the muscles. So we can say it's the heaviest tissues that exist in our body, and the basic function is to produce movements in the skeleton. As you know that skeleton is a frame around which body organizes itself, and the internal skeleton which usually exists in humans consists of bones. So my dear students, bones itself can't produce the movements. They will produce the movements by the help of the muscles. We will explain, but first let me tell you what is the structure of muscles. Muscles are three types: strict muscles, unstrict muscles, and unstrict muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. But today we will discuss the strict muscles are voluntary muscles. Dear students, usually the muscle fibers are arranged in bundles. These are the bundles of muscles, and in these bundles of muscles we have finally muscle fibers, which are also called sarcomeres. The muscular fibers are called sarcomeres, and these sarcomeres are made up of actin, special type of protein, and myosin. It's also protein. Basically, they are made up of actin and myosin. So this is the structure of the muscle, and the muscle fiber is called sarcomere. My dear students, the muscles have the ability of contraction and relaxation. So Let's start and study its contraction and relaxation role. Ever I have written on the board antagonistic muscles. First of all, let me to tell you what is antagonism. Antagonism means that when we have pair of muscles in which if one member of the pair, one member of the muscle pair contract, the other or the second member will relax, means both of members of the antagonistic pair will work oppositely. So antagonistic muscle is a pair of muscle, and this phenomena is called antagonism. There are always two members of antagonistic muscles pair. One is called flexor. One member is called flexor, and the second one is called extensor. So when the flexor will contract, the extensor will relax, and when extensor will relax, the flexor will contract. Both of the members of the antagonistic muscles will work oppositely. So the skeletal muscles usually exist in pairs, and these pairs are called antagonistic muscle pairs. And in antagonistic muscle, we have two members. One is called flexor, and second one is called extensor. Now I will tell you that flexor is the member when flexor contract. When the flexor contract, the angle between two bones will reduce. How? For example, we have two bones, and the muscle attached here is a flexor. So when it will contract, it will move, and the angle between two bones, which is now 180 at this time when it is in relax, when it will contract, look at the angle between two bones will definitely be reduced. And the opposite thing with extensor. When extensor contract, the angle between two bones will increase. How? Let's see. If this is the flexor, so extensor will locate here. So when the flexor is going to contract, you can see that the angle is being reduced, and flexor is contracted It is now in a relaxed form. But when this bone will again straighten, this muscle will contract and the extensor will contract and the flexor will relax. So look, the angle which is reduced by the contraction of the flexor is now increased. This is the concept of flexor and extensor. I will give you example, but before moving to example, an important point I wish to share with you is the origin and insertion. Origin and insertion. What is origin and what is insertion? My dear students, we have two bones. We have two bones. This is a permanent bone and this is a movable bone. The part of the muscle which is usually attached with the immovable or the permanent bone, that is called, this part of the muscle is called origin. And this part which is attached with the movable bone is called insertion. Origin will be with, and these thread-like structures are called tendons. Tendons are the structures by which muscles will attach with bones. So, with immovable part, the muscles attach, that point will call origin, and with movable bone, the part of that particular point is called insertion point. So this is the concept of origin and insertion. Again, I am repeating that when the muscles attach with a permanent bone, immovable bone, permanent means here immovable. And that immovable, when muscles attach with immovable bone, that particular point is called as origin. And when the muscle is attached, the other part which is attached with the movable bone, that particular point is called insertion. So these are the two very important things which you should keep in mind. Now let's move ahead. What are the examples of flexors and extensors in human body? Examples. Examples are extensor, good example are the bicep muscles. Sorry, this is flexor tract. Flexor good example is the bicep muscle. The origin of the flexor muscle is scapula, which is the shoulder bone, and its insertion is on radius and ulna. And the extensor example of extensor is the tricep muscle. The origin is same, is scapula, but it's some part is attached with the humerus also. And its insertion is on radius look. This is the bicep muscle. This is the bicep muscle. Its origin is here on scapula and its insertion is here. So look, this is the bicep muscle. When it is going to contract, look, the angle between the two bones is going to reduce. Look, from 180 degree, now it's 90, and now it's decreasing from the 90. So the angle between two bones is reducing. This muscle is called as the bicep muscle. And when it is in contract form, here we have the muscle just opposite in the direction of the bicep muscle, which is called the tricep muscle. It is in relaxed form. It is in relaxed form. But look, when it is going to relax and the extensor of the tricep is going to contract, look, the angle which is less than 90 is moving. Yes, yes, yes. Now the angle, now it is in contract form, it is in relaxed form, and the angle between two bones is definitely increased. So this is the concept of antagonism, antagonistic muscles. Hope that you people got a good knowledge about the antagonistic muscle and your concept is clear. Other examples of the antagonistic muscle are the quadricep muscles and the tricep muscles in the legs, thigh region. Hope that you people got the concept. Still, if you feel any problem in this topic, you can ask me in the Zoom online session. Inshallah, I will try my best to clarify your concept in every aspect. Inshallah, see you in next lecture, lecture 20, in which we will start a new chapter, chapter 14, and its title is reproduction. Hope that you people will learn it. Keep watching the videos carefully and clarify your concepts. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay blessed.